Super Administrator. Password is the instrument setting. This is calibration. The calibration password is the same as the login password. Calibration can be selected. This is the time setting. OK, the time can be adjusted. This is the storage time. Press in seconds. Save per second. This is the exported data. This is the alarm value. This is a use time of the ultraviolet lamp. Audit trail. User management. Users can be added. Add administrators and operators. Return. This is the test interface. You can enter the product name, product number and sampling point. Sign. This is to enter the test page. View history. Upside down.